Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to book a flight on Qatar Airways. So let's get started. First, go to the official Qatar Airways website. From there, select Book a Flight. Choose your location, destination, departure date, and the number of passengers traveling. Next, click on Search Flights. You will now see the available flights along with their prices and times. Select the flight that best suits you, choose the fare type, and confirm your choice. Now click on Continue to Contact Details. Fill in all the necessary personal details. After that, proceed to review and pay. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.